Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Leganke looking at Wednesday's work for math class. So we're going to look at a practice link on that quiz.org, and this is a live link. You can launch it here or on the Wednesday page, and then keep up with your dream box. So here's our Wednesday page, and we would just like you to select this link. I did want to remind you, Dreambox is 3 lessons for the week, just 3, and that there is a Zoom session at 10 a.m. and you could join that as well. It'd be nice to see everyone. So when you select the live link for that quiz.org, it takes you to a page like this. It has unlimited practice problems on angles. Your first step would be to make sure your feedback is on, so it grades you. It tells you right or wrong right away, so that's good feedback for you. Our first problem here, we have x and 110. 2 angles next to each other on a straight line are called supplementary angles. So we'd have an angle plus another angle equals 180. So in here we have x plus 110 equals 180, and that's going to be 70. So we're type in 70. And watch what happens with the feedback. See how I get the check mark? That means I got it right. So the feedback on is a really good feature. We have supplementary angles again here. Kind of weird. It's the same similar problem. What plus 70 equals 180? This one's going to be 110. So you type in 110, hit OK, and yay, I got that one right too. The next picture has vertical angles. And vertical angles are congruent, so they're the same measure. So I would type in 90 for this one and hit OK. Got it right. So keep moving through and practicing these. It's unlimited practice. Make sure that the feedback is on so you know how you're doing as you go. It will give you a final score at the end. You can hit the link as many times as you want for unlimited practice. Okay, so that was it for today. Thatquiz.org. Get your 3 lessons on Dreambox and join for a Zoom session if you need it. There's also additional help. If you hit that link right there, you can sign up for a time slot.